Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have a huge home bargains haul for you. So I've been a bit naughty. I bought some normal stuff, but I've also bought some Christmassy bits as well. So let's get straight on into the video. The first item that I picked up was this multi-purpose diamond 3-piece basket set. I just love these colours. I mean, I see them every single time that I go in. It's this sort of material. It's really sturdy. It's not flexible. And my plan for this is to put it in my bathroom cupboard with all my cleaning bits because it's just getting totally out of hand. And I feel like when it's not organised, I end up buying duplicates of the same things. So my plan is to get organised and to use this. I think this was £3.99, but I don't mind too much because it is a bit more expensive, but it does feel good quality, and you do get 3 baskets, which actually, when you think about it, it's quite a bargain. Then it picks up these Bioflex wipes. These are £1.49, and obviously with everything going on, I feel like it's so important to have antibacterial wipes. What I like about these ones, I think it's these ones. Yeah, you can use it for your hands, surfaces and for your face. So I feel like these are perfect to have in the car, particularly if I'm taking my little girl out and I need to clean the trolley down. I know that the chemicals in here aren't like that bad if you can use them on your skin. So they are perfect. Then picked up, this is a Christmas gift. I then picked up these dog biscuits. So it says Chester's dog biscuits, and we know a dog called Chester, so I literally could not take these. And they're just so cute. They've got little sausage dogs on with like little coats and little scarves on. I just thought that was really gorgeous, and they are cranberry and turkey flavoured dog biscuits, and these are made in the UK, so hopefully they'll be okay for them. And this was £2.99. You do get a cute tip, but I just thought that would just make such a cute Christmas present for a dog. I then picked up a couple of these colouring party time Peppa Pig books. These were 79p each. What a bargain. Like, what kids, like real young kids, don't like Peppa Pig? And we have a few kids that we have to buy for, so I just thought I'd get them whilst they're in, because I feel like stuff like this can sell out really quickly, particularly when it's only 79p. It does say that the RRP was £3.99, so they were a good pick-up. It's a bit boring, I know I show this pretty much every time that I go to Home Bargains, but I did pick up some Aquafresh toothpaste, £1. And also picked up a couple of these braided lightning cables. So they are 1.5 metres long. They're in this gorgeous gold colour. I picked these up before and they fit my phone perfectly. I have an Android. It's a Xiaomi 9MT Pro, I think. I use it to do my come shot with me's with. It's a really good phone, but it's Android. I've always had iPhone, so I never know what cable to buy for it. And I must say, these actually charge the phone really quickly. I do feel like sometimes if you buy a cheap cable, it takes about 2 days to charge the phone, whereas these actually charge it super quick. And I feel like because I do editing and stuff, I need one in my laptop case, and I needed another one for my car as well, so that's why I picked these up. I then picked up this Bayliss & Harding Beautycology, I think that's how you say it, Eton Mess bath foam. Oh my god, Eton Mess is my all-time favourite dessert. It's just so beautiful, and I just love the packaging on this with the little soldiers. Obviously it's really Christmassy. It was £1.50 if I've not said already, and I do like the lid. Do you know what? I've not had a sniff of it. Oh, it's really, oh that's really nice. That's really nice and sweet. If you like sweet scents, you'll love this. I love the sweet scent. If you like musky scents, you might not, but I picked this up because I'm either going to treat myself over Christmas and use this in the bath, or I'm going to use it as a little bit of a gift bulker and give it to somebody. I'm sure I'll have somebody who would love this. So yeah, £1.50 I think is really nice for such beautiful packaging. And it picked up this notepad. I couldn't leave without it because it's just so nice. It's in navy and rose gold, so it's really beautiful colours, really like the colours that I love. And it's, let me open it, it was £3.99, so it's a little bit more expensive. But this is, I have every year I have a notepad that I write down my like yearly goals in and how I plan to work towards them and things like that. And for me, having some really beautiful stationery keeps me motivated to keep looking at it. I know that sounds silly, but it's true. I like things to look nice if I'm going to keep looking at it. So it's like this, and then it's got like a zip all the way around, and it's really lovely soft material, and even the zip's gold. These would make a really nice Christmas present. And then in it, it has like stickers, and it has like a notepad. Make today amazing, look. It's all there to get you organised. You know, I look pink geometric. I mean, I just love it. It's got to-do list. It's got notes. I just feel like that's perfect. So you can really organise yourself, and I feel like to-do lists like that are really good for writing shopping lists and stuff on. Oh, it's even got, so it's got a notes section. I feel it's got a couple of different sections actually, and it's got, well, I like this sort of thing. It's got like one of those plenary type sections as well. So yeah, my plan is to use this for my goals at the start of the year. So I'm not actually going to use this, I'm going to save it. And yeah, oh, it's even got like, I didn't know I had this. It's even got like flat bits where you can put notes and things, which is just perfect because I always have like post-it notes and just bits and bobs and stickers that I buy. So this is spot on for me. And also I tend to lose my pen, so I can zip it up in here and not lose it. Oh, do you know what? I did actually buy, it's the same as that one, but it's in a pink. Now this one I'm going to give away as a gift. Oh, I've got it upside down, sorry. And it just says in rose gold, the adventure begins. And it's just, like I said, I just thought it would make a really nice gift. And for £3.99, I just thought that's a really nice gift book, and I feel like it looks so much more expensive than that. Not that that matters, but I just think it just looks really nice. So yeah, I'm sure that I'll find somebody to gift that to. With more gifts, I am trying to spread the cost of Christmas this year. We do normally just, we're just terrible. I mean, normally we'd go to like TK Maxx the week before Christmas Day or a couple of weeks out, and you just feel so much pressure to get everything, and obviously it means you're spending quite a bit of money in one go, whereas I feel like it's quite nice to spread it out. I feel like get into the Christmas spirit as well, particularly with everything that's going on. It's nice to get into some nice Christmas spirit early on, and I know a few people have mentioned that they're in lockdown, so I do feel like I've got to get my stuff now just in case, because you never know. Anyway, I'm babbling on. So the next things, more Christmas gifts. I did pick up some of these EOS lip balms. Now I've seen these on so many channels. I think I first saw them on Rosie Henshaw's channel. I love her channel, she's just amazing. So I picked them up because I know they are way more expensive if you do go to Boots. I think like £6 or something ridiculous in Boots. So the first one that I picked up was a Christmas one. So it's a whipped vanilla frosting super soft sheer lip balm, and it says sustainable natural sheer wild grown. So that's perfect, and it's in this lovely gold and white packaging. And then I picked up a Rosy Glow Colour Boost. Oh, so it seems like this one might have a little bit of colour in, and this is in this beautiful white and pink packaging. So yeah, they're really calling out my name, as you know, anything with pink packaging. And like I said, we have a few younger kids that we buy for, so I have picked up some more Peppa Pig books, and these again 89p, which is just, I don't know, I just think that's ridiculously cheap for branded stuff. So I thought whilst they're in there, and I feel like these are quite good with shapes. I know my daughter's she's starting to pick up on things like that. So I thought, well, get some of those because her friends are similar age. Also picked up a couple of face wipes. I've actually got into a good routine. At night time, I'm not using wipes so much, but in the morning, I still am, because I just can't get myself out of bed. To be honest with you, like, I would prefer an extra 2 minutes in bed than rather go for a whole skincare in the morning. I'll do the skincare at night because it's nice to settle down, but I just can't. I'm not a get up and goer in the morning. I'm definitely a night owl. But yeah, I picked these wipes up and they are £2 for £1. And I do recommend these if you do, like, I know some people really don't recommend face wipes. I mean, I think that is one thing about me. I think my skin is like barbed wire. I can literally throw anything at it and it's okay. But yeah, if you do like wipes and you want some cheap ones, I would recommend these ones because they are quite moist. Finally, I've saved the best till last, and I really have. Now, I wasn't going to pick this up, but it's just so early for us to be buying Christmas stuff. I've got into the spirit early this year. I couldn't leave without it. I panic, like, do you know, this is so silly. I don't panic, that's a bit dramatic, but I worry that things are going to go out of stock. So I thought, do you know what, I'm just having it, and I'm having it today. So I picked up this. Let me take the packaging off so you can get the full effect. Glitter's going to go everywhere, but so you can get the full effect. This feathered Christmas tree. How beautiful. I feel like the camera's not doing this any justice. I would recommend, I've got to be careful of that candle as well. I would recommend going down and having a look at these feathered trees in Home Bargains. They're only £6.99. It's quite big actually. My plan is to put it next to our actual Christmas tree. It's such a beautiful shade of grey, and it's got these silvery bits like just lining the tips of the feathers. It's just beautiful, and I have to admit, they've got the feather boas in the same colour. Oh my god, I was so tempted to buy one because they've got pearls at the end, and you know what I'm like with pearls. They've just got a really beautiful, amazing range of Christmas stuff in. So if you are looking for Christmas stuff, Home Bargains is really good, and I definitely recommend B&M as well because they are brilliant this year. So yeah, that was the final item. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Check out my Instagram, it's projectmumyt. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye bye.